Yo, what's really good? It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing the Nike woven shorts. Now, in 2022, they did make some changes, and it's only right that I bring them to you. We're going to talk about the fit, we're going to talk about the changes from the previous model, and we are going to talk about the updated price. It's only right that I give you your own body. Stay tuned. Alright, and welcome back, man. As you already know, the Nike woven shorts have become a staple, a summer essential for every wardrobe, man. So look, now what they did for 2022 is they updated the model, man. So it was only right that I bought some just so I could make this video, man. So here we go. I have my pack right here, which I did get from Dick's Sporting Goods. Let me go ahead and give it a little rip down the middle. Peel back gang, you know the vibes, man. We are still outside, and here we go. We have from Dick's right here, we have the Nike woven shorts. This is the updated model, man. So any changes, I will let you know. And if you haven't seen any of my other Nike woven videos, I have about 17 or 18 different colors. So trust me, when I talk about what I know what I'm talking about. You feel me? But let's go ahead and open these up. All right, now the main thing, I'm not even gonna say the main thing, but this is one thing right here. Let's go ahead and knock this right out from the jump. The price right now is $50. Previously they were $45 for all the Nike woven shorts that were a solid color. So that has jumped up to $50. Now right here I do have the woven shorts in a green colorway. And matter of fact, what I'll do is I'll point out some of the differences. I have another pair of woven shorts, one of the originals, and I'll just show you the little differences that I've been able to pick up on. But we do have that standard Nike sign on that left leg portion right here. You can take a look at right here. So that's one thing that we're accustomed to. That's one thing that we're used to. We do have the white drawstrings. This is something else that adds that contrast, you feel me? The thing that makes the Nike woven shorts special is that they're so clean that you can wear them with almost anything, you feel me? Let's go ahead and take a look. On the inside, we have that same mesh material that we saw on the previous models. Now, this is where things get interesting. Now we're taking a look at the back right here. Now, the thing that jumped out to me is we do have a flap, a covered pocket. Now, matter of fact, let me show you. On this pair right here, which is one of the original pairs, we have the pocket, which was not covered at all. So it was easy to put things in, get things out, but then it was also easy to possibly lose things at the same time. I never lost anything, but I had heard people talk about that. And this is something I wanted to show you as well. We have that drainage hole right there for just in case you want to hop in the pool or something like that. Here we go. And on these, like I said, there's no drainage hole that you would think, right? But there actually is. So if you look at the bottom of the pocket right here, it is netted. Hopefully you guys can see that there's a netting right in there. So this is where your water will drain from now. There's no little circle hole for you get a little bit of drip. Now you actually get a netted bottom so that all the water will come through a little bit faster. And I do believe that will aid in allowing it to dry a little bit faster. Another thing that I did notice, on the inside of this pocket, we do have a loop right here. So this is one of those things that I think that you will be able to, like, let's just say if you wanted to hang your keys on this, or if you wanted to keep something like very, very safe, you can loop it around here, then you tuck it in, and then you pull the flap down, and that just makes the back pocket that much more secure. But outside of those things with the pocket, the other main difference, which is something that I noticed from the pictures on the Nike website, but I wanted to get it in hands so I could really see, is on the sides right here. Okay, so this is the side, and there's not a straight cut anymore. If you can see right here at the bottom, it actually lifts up where the seams are. So it gives it more of a running style of look. And matter of fact, I'll just show the difference on these. So on these right here, as you can see, let's see, we can pull this out. Right here, you can see that it's pretty much straight across. Right here at the bottom near that Nike sign, it's straight across. And just to give you that, look again, here we go. We have that, instead of it being straight across, you can kind of see how it turns up right there, right where that inseam is. You have that little curve. So that's another thing that I noticed, and that's pretty much it. But one thing I do want to do is put these on so you can get that on body, see if that makes any type of difference comfort wise, you know. These are actually my favorite shorts to wear during the summer, just because they are so versatile. You know, you can wear them to the gym, you can wear them to the pool, and you'll be good either way you cut it. Now, just a heads up, this has not changed. Now, this is an above the knee length. So you know how we talk about above the knee shorts? Now, these aren't, you know, your 5-inch inseam. These are more of like a 7-inch. So it'll be above the knee, but it's not going to be crazy. And like I said, I am going to do an on body, so you will be able to check that out. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and get to the on body portion of the video. And right here, I do have the woven shorts. They are looking good. The fit is really good. Like I said, it's above the knee, but it's not crazy above the knee. You feel me? You get maybe about 1 inch right there. We do have that slit, and like I said, it just kind of gives you that running type of a vibe to the shorts. You see the shirt is a Nike shirt as well. You know, got a little bit of that purple that'll bring in that hat. We have the back pocket, man. You know, the back pocket you can do a couple different things with. You can leave the loop out, you can tuck the loop in. It's kind of up to you, man. Go ahead, throw that on with the white forces, and that really just completes the fit right there. Now, tell me what you think about the shorts, man. Do you like the update? Talk to me. Was it worth the extra $5? I mean, the prices are going up on everything, so I can't blame them. But don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.